Going to the fridge as I go. Okay. Now I'm at the fridge. Open it up. Grab my oatmeal with raisins in it, with cinnamon in it. Okay. Put it on the counter. Close the fridge. Like so. Take the oatmeal. Open it up. Boom. Everything's all ready. I just heat it up in the microwave. Boom. Close the microwave. Put on 2 minutes. And there you have it. And I just let it heat up. I don't know. Oh yeah. Okay, you can see it. You can see a little bit. Look at that. Alright. Turn it off. And my oatmeal is heat up. It's all warm, ready to eat.